Why do tornadoes always seem to strike when we least expect it? The National Weather Service has officially rated the Scotts Valley tornado as an EF1. This tornado, packing winds up to 90 miles per hour, touched down Saturday afternoon. It carved a path 0.31 miles long and 30 yards wide, leaving significant damage in its wake. Rooted trees, downed power lines, and stripped branches were just part of the destruction. Several vehicles were overturned, street signs damaged, and minor injuries reported. The severe thunderstorm that spawned this tornado featured a mesocyclone, a rotating updraft known to produce tornadoes. Although the tornado itself wasn't visible on radar, the storm's rotation suggested possible straight-line winds causing additional damage. Residents are urged to stay alert for further weather updates. Stay tuned for more details as we continue to monitor this developing story.